Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what to do and how to do it, and feeling motivated to make it happen. No more second guessing, no more wasted effort, just consistent strategic progress towards your goals. That's the clarity and confidence we're diving into today as we discuss how to achieve business goals. Coming up in this video, we're going to tackle the exact reasons you're not achieving your business goals and how to fix them. Here's what you'll learn. Number one, why you're stuck. We'll uncover the 3 root causes that hold most business owners back: lack of clarity, lack of capability, and lack of commitment. And we'll help you identify which one is affecting you. Number 2, the right solution for your problem. You'll learn how to choose the right kind of support, whether it's a teacher, a trainer, or a coach, based on your specific challenge. Number 3, how to align for success. Discover how to align your motivation, your mindset, and your methodology so you can execute strategically and achieve your goals with clarity and confidence and fulfillment. Many business owners feel stuck despite their hard work. The real issue isn't effort, it's failing to identify the root cause of their struggles. Without this clarity, they waste time, resources, and energy on the wrong solutions, leading to frustration and burnout. Imagine trying to hike a mountain with an overloaded backpack full of unnecessary items. It slows you down, zaps your energy, and makes every step harder. To move forward, you have to unpack, identify what's not helping, and reload with only the essentials. That's exactly what we're going to do for your business goals today. If you take action on the suggestions in this video, here's what you can expect. Clarity on your path forward. You'll pinpoint the exact reasons you're stuck and now know how to address it. Focus, effort, and productivity. You'll stop wasting energy on busy work and instead work on what truly moves the needle. Consistent motivation and momentum. Aligning motivation, mindset, and methodology keeps you energized and moving forward. Breakthrough results. Addressing the real root cause unlocks new opportunities for success. Fulfillment in your success. Leveraging your strengths and passions ensures the journey is both effective and rewarding. The first step to achieving your business goals is understanding why you're stuck. There are 3 root causes to consider. Lack of clarity. Do you lack understanding about what to do? Lack of capability. Do you know what to do, but not how to do it? And lack of commitment. Do you know what to do and how to do it, but you're just not taking action? Without identifying the real issue, you risk wasting time and energy on the wrong solutions. So, write down one area in your business where you feel stuck and determine if you know what to do, clarity, or how to do it, capability, or if you're stuck implementing despite knowing what to do and how to do it, commitment. Think about that overloaded backpack. To move forward, you have to unpack, identify what's not helping, and reload only with the essentials. Once you've identified the root cause, the next step is finding the right solution to address it. Different problems require different kinds of support. If you don't know what to do, seek out a teacher, a mentor, a book, or a seminar to gain knowledge. If you know what to do, but not how to do it, work with a trainer to build the necessary skills. If you know what to do and how to do it, but you're just not doing it, well, now it's time to hire a coach. A great coach will help you align your motivation, your mindset, and your methodology so you can remove your resistance and move forward. No single solution fits all challenges. The key is recognizing your specific need and addressing it appropriately. So take some time today to identify your primary barrier and the right kind of support you need. Identify a mentor, enroll in a course, find a trainer, or schedule a consultation with a coach. Choose the right tool for the job. If you need to drive a nail, use a hammer. If you need to fix a broken pipe, a hammer won't do you much good. If you know what to do, you don't need more information. You need someone to help you take action on what you already know. Achieving your business goals requires more than just effort. It demands alignment of motivation, mindset, and methodology. Here's what each element means. Motivation is about connecting what you do to why you want to do it. You need to create a compelling reason to take action. Mindset is about overcoming limiting beliefs and self-sabotaging thoughts that hinder your progress. A good coach will challenge your limiting beliefs and help you choose empowering beliefs. And finally, methodology is about how you get things done. You want a strategic, goal-aligned action plan that assures consistency and progress. When these three elements work together, you create a powerful foundation for success. So spend 10 minutes writing what it is you want to accomplish and why it's important. Identify one limiting belief and try to reframe it, and then break down your main goal into 3 to 5 actionable steps that you can take this week. If you want to achieve your goals, you need strong motivation, an empowered mindset, and a strategic methodology. As futurist and filmmaker Joel Barker said, vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. Vision with action can change the world. Now that you understand how to diagnose the problem, find the right support, and align your motivation, mindset, and methodology, you're well on your way to achieving your business goals. But there's one more critical piece: staying consistent to avoid burnout. Consistency bridges the gap between knowledge and results. If you're not maintaining momentum, or if you're constantly feeling drained, all the best strategies won't lead to success. So in the coming weeks, I'll show you how to stay consistent and avoid burnout. So hit the subscribe button. In the meantime, be sure to watch the next video. And if you want to find out key areas to improve in your business, take my free business breakthrough assessment. I'll drop the link in the description below. See you next week.